What's good, YouTube? Y'all already know what it is. It's Tebow, and I'm here with my first video, man. Today's video is gonna be a really banger, man. All right, guys, I'm gonna show you guys how to get these freeform dreads. As you can see, man, my dreads looking alright. I'm gonna give you guys, what you guys need, and how to get them and when to wash them, and yeah, man. So let's get right into the video. All right, so first things first, what you need is this mango and lime locking firm wax gel. No, it's really nice. It looks like this. They have like different colors, like they have like this, like clear, or like they have like an orange color or something like that. You need something like this, or you can have a little oil to like keep it moisturized here and there, but don't put it in every day, because you don't need your hair to get like oily, because it's gonna take a while for it to lock up. As you can see, it's not locked up to the roots, as you can see. And you need like a towel, like a washcloth or like a sponge. I stopped using this. I just went to the towel method, and start using the towel method. You can see, look at the shape, man. And so what I do is every day, or some days I put this in. I just put it in my hair like this. I put on like the towel, or I just rub it in. I rub it in my hands like this. I just rub it in my hair, you know what I'm saying? Make sure to get it all in there, you know what I'm saying? Look at these boys, man. These drinks raw, bro. I just get a little shaking, make sure it's locked in, you know what I'm saying? And I just, go in a circle of motion. Do this for about like 1 to 2 minutes. I do this for 1 to 2 minutes. And yeah, man, I already did it earlier, so I don't really gotta do it. But I do it for 1 to 2 minutes. And I need a haircut. I'm gonna get a haircut soon, but I do it for 1 to 2 minutes, and it should look like this. You gotta keep doing this every day. It's not gonna make progress in 1 week. It's gonna be like twisted, but it's not gonna be locked up like these type. You gonna have to you should see your first results in like the first month, and you just gotta keep grinding for it, bro. If you really want these, bro, you gotta work for it, man. So it's all gonna pay off. It's been like a couple of months for mine, but all you gotta do is keep working. Wash your hair. Don't wash your hair like all the time. Like wash it like once, like every 2 weeks. Don't wash it like every day. It's not, trust me, your hair is not gonna be dirty. My hair is not dirty, as you see. No dandruff. My hair don't stink, none of that. It smells good. But wash your hair every once every 2 weeks. When you're in the shower, I'm gonna drop another video on how to wash your freeform dreads. But when you're once you're done washing all the hair, just shake it, shake it for about 2 minutes, because once it's wet, it's easier for it to lock up. So you just keep shaking it. As you can see, man, I got combines. I got three dreads. Got some long ones like that. Got some ones like this. I think y'all peep this. I got this is the new one. It started sticking down. It stick out like that. And yeah, so type 1 if y'all like my hair. And yeah, man, so this is my channel, man. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. And I'm gonna be dropping bangers, bro. We'll be dropping bangers, man. Tell your friends, tell your grannies, tell your aunties, tell your moms, tell your dads, tell your brothers, tell your sisters to come to the channel and hit that sub and hit that like, bro. We about to go crazy, man. So, man, I appreciate you guys for watching and tuning in. It's Tebow, man. I'm out. Peace.